In this step, we actually plot the quilt out on graph paper. This helps to give us a vision as we are putting the pieces together, and we always can see what the pattern will be like. To begin with, Linda is going to start lettering across the top. So our columns, or our up and down rows, will have letters A, B, C, and so forth. We are doing 15 columns or rows, so she'll go all the way to the letter O. As you can see, Linda has used 2 squares per letter. Because bricks, of course, are wider than they are long, we wanted to have that same effect on the graph paper. As we plot downward, she's going to go to the next row below the A and start with a 1, and so forth down as far as 30 rows. And different from the rows going across, the ones going down will be only 1 square per number. We're now going to make a key for our graph here, because as you know, we use 4 colors of denim in the quilt, and we want to identify those 4 colors easily for us as we're plotting the pieces of quilt on the floor. So Linda's making a key. We're using this key to identify the 4 different colors of denim that we're using. A is represented by the darkest color of denim, B the light medium, C the lightest, and D the dark medium. We're calling in the darkest denim in purple. The light medium is a red color. The lightest is yellow. And the dark medium is a blue. This will be very helpful when we start to plot this out on the graph paper. We found when using a 15 brick width of the quilt that by repeating the 4 color pattern of the blue denim that we created a cascading effect of the denim bricks. So if you look at the quilt, you'll see a diagonal line, for instance, of the dark brick all the way down from the left top corner down to the right bottom corner of the quilt. Now here's our finished graph design. As you can see, we started with the purple, and we repeated that every 4th brick is a purple brick. Same with the yellow, every 4th yellow brick is a yellow brick. And because of that, you'll see your diagonal lines forming.